came in the mail from Amazon for me. This is it. This is a battery operated pool cleaner. Let's put it together and see what this bad boy is about. I got it free for review and I'm super excited. Thank you to the brand partner who sent us this. Let's get it put together. As you can see, it has brushes on it to make sure that you can get a good scrub on it. It's all set up. Let's turn it on. There we go.
There you go.
Here's some dirt right here. Let's clean this up. Oh boy, that just sets it right in. You know, sometimes my pool's a pretty big pool, but it gets areas that just collect sand and dirt. And instead of cleaning the whole pool, although you could with this, it's nice just to have this. Oh, look at that. Super long reach. Cleaned it up. Look at that dirt. This thing just soaked it up. Nice metal filter in there. I love this because it has a battery, rechargeable battery. You don't have to worry about electrical cords. Don't worry about pulling out all your pool equipment, cleaning equipment. Just have this leaned up against your pool shed and come out and give it a good clean. This is a recommended buy. If you own a pool, you can't live without this. All right, so when you're ready to clean, it's really easy. Just flip this up. Ta-da. All right, and if for those of you who asked, does this stuff really work? Look at that. That's all that dirt I got in, what was it, like 2 minutes of cleaning?
Just a couple passes.
Just a couple passes. So, like, this is the real deal. It's a powerful little vacuum for your pool. When you don't want, like, it's just hassle-free. So this is a recommended buy. If you own a pool and don't have one of these, you're just playing games with yourself. We use this all the time.